Hello everyone. Now we are going to continue about the instrument which are used in the gynecops. What we are going to see is the instrument that is the ovum forceps. What we see in this diagram, ovum holding forceps. What are the parts of this ovum holding forceps? It consists of the shaft. This part is called as the shaft. The front part, it is the oval part without catch holder. What is catch holder? What we see in the previous, that is back of forceps. This is the catch holder which is absent in the ovum forceps. Now, what are the uses of it? So, this instrument, it is used for the removing of the products of conception in case of any vitable which is not able to vitable, incomplete abortion and MTP operations, MTP medical termination of pregnancy. What is the tip of this instrument? It is rounded cup like, just what we see in this diagram. It is rounded cup like structure to avoid the perforation when we use it. For example, if this is in this, if you introduce it to avoid the perforation, it is rounded one. And to hold the large tissue, this instrument does not have a catch, so this is to avoid the perforation of the uterine wall. That is it. So next instrument that what we are going to see, that is called as a episiotomy scissor or perineography. So what we see this instrument, how it is, it consists of scissor. The normal scissor are the straight one, but what is the difference which is present in this? It is curve, so that it prevents to the injury to the thigh during the procedure. So how it is used? This is the diagram of the episiotomy scissor. So what it indication? So this is instrument. This instrument is used for giving the episiotomy. Episiotomy is a procedure which is done in the second stage of labor or at the time of crowning of the head. So what is episiotomy is given in primary. Primary who is going to deliver for the first time, as there is a rigid perineum before forceps or before vacuum or in breech delivery and in preterm delivery, that is before the 48 weeks of, that is called as a preterm, from before the 37 weeks of, that is the preterm delivery. Episiotomy is usually given under the local anesthesia. Which one? That is 1% xylocaine at the time of crowning of the head. What it consists of? It consists of two blades. One is the sharp blade and sharp blade here. The sharp blade of the instrument is inserted in the vagina, protecting fetus by two fingers of the doctor. So if you, this is the position of the uterus, cervix and vagina. This is the normal position, and when the head comes downward, so what is the protection is given by the two fingers, and the direction it is this way. So head it is protected, and lower part is the anal region, and in between this is the perineum. So how it is? So this way it is the given. The sharp blade of the instrument is inserted in the vagina, protecting fetus by two fingers of the doctor. The cut is given. There are different types of cut. If it is given this way, this is the medial, this is lateral, mediolateral and median. Anal region, lateral, mediolateral and anal, J-shaped structure. So the cut is given mediolaterally, midline or lateral. Episiotomy is usually midline or lateral is episiotomy is usually not given. The episiotomy is sutured in 3 layers with number 0, 1, 0 chromic catgut. The first layer of vagina starting with the apex. The second layer is perineal muscles and the third layer is skin. The episiotomy can extend if proper perineal support is not given. Extension to anus is seen in median episiotomy. And what is the basic intention of this episiotomy? For prevention of perineal tear. So that is the instrument, that is episiotomy. So next instrument we are going to see about the single tooth valsalem. What are the parts of it? It consists of the shaft. The anterior part, it is the curved one with having the serrations. Just see the serrations with the catch holder. This is the catch holder. Shaft, it is the long one. What we see in this diagram. So what is the use of this? Indications of the single tooth valsalem. It is used to hold the anterior lip of the cervix or to hold the cervix after and to give traction while remaining bald is being cut in total abdominal hysterectomy. What we see in this, if this is the part of the cervix, to hold the cervix part of it, that is what it used. Or if you see in this diagram, if this is the uterus, if this is the cervix part of it, this valsellum is used by speculum examination to hold the stump of the cervix or lip of the cervix. That is the use of the valsellum with the serrations in front of and catch holder. So in which to hold the new cervical stump after amputation, that is removal of the part of the body of the cervix and Fothergill's operation which is done in the uterine prolapse, to hold the cervical stump left after the subtotal hysterectomy, and sometimes to hold the anterior lip of the multiparous cervix in operation of D and C. That is the use of this instrument valsellum. Thank you.